This video will include information and preventable risk factors for liver cancer in ages 17 through 21. Why we need our liver. The liver performs many essential functions for our body. You cannot live without your liver. It filters, breaks down, and stores many nutrients that your body uses for energy and to build and repair tissue. It makes clotting factors that help clot your blood. It distributes bile into the intestines to absorb nutrients, and it breaks down toxins in your body, which are then excreted through urine and stool. Liver cancer is a type of cancer that originates in the liver. The unhealthy cancer cells in the liver begin to multiply and spread. Liver cancer can occur in all ages. Liver cancer is hard to detect until it reaches late stages. This makes it harder to treat. Primary liver cancer starts in the liver, and secondary liver cancer is when the cancer reaches the liver after spreading from another part of the body. You can lower your risk for liver cancer through preventable risk factors. A risk factor is something that may increase your chance of getting a sickness or a disease. Some of these risk factors you can control and are called modifiable risk factors. These include things such as alcohol and tobacco use and healthy lifestyles. Some risk factors you are not able to control, called unmodifiable risk factors, and these include things like your age or your gender or diseases you may have. Knowing about these risk factors can help you make choices that can prevent such sicknesses or diseases as cancer, help with early detection, or spread awareness to help others that may be at a high risk. Some unmodifiable risk factors, things that you cannot change: your gender, race and ethnicity, rare diseases or inherited metabolic diseases, viral hepatitis, type 2 diabetes, and cirrhosis. Sometimes these risk factors are things you cannot control, and all of these listed contribute to liver damage that increases the risk for liver cancer. Modifiable risk factors include heavy alcohol use, tobacco use, obesity, type 2 diabetes, anabolic steroids, viral hepatitis, and cirrhosis. And these are things that in certain cases can be controlled and can contribute to a higher risk of liver cancer. So alcohol and tobacco use is a very common risk factor for this age group, and alcohol is the #1 used substance by teens and young adults, and this causes many health and safety risks for them currently and in their later adult years. Teens and young adults try alcohol for several reasons: to feel independent, to fit in, or peer pressure, to relieve stress, or related to boredom. Tobacco products the use is started and established primarily during adolescence. Teens and young adults try tobacco, just like alcohol, for several reasons: to feel independent, to fit in, or due to peer pressure, to relieve stress, or related to boredom. Tobacco use includes cigarettes, cigars, e-cigarettes, and smokeless tobacco. To decrease alcohol and tobacco use and to maintain healthy lifestyles for ages 17 through 21, here are some good ways to do that. Mental health: learn ways to manage stress, develop a balance between school, work, and social life, maintain healthy relationships, and do your best in school. For physical health: exercise, eat healthy, get enough sleep. Behavioral health: avoid substance use or abuse, drive safely, avoid violence, practice abstinence or safe sex. Pay attention. For emotional health: pay attention to moods and feelings, ask for help, and accept yourself. Liver cancer can be prevented. Some ways to do that is to reduce alcohol use, maintain a healthy lifestyle, maintain a healthy weight, avoid tobacco products and smoking. If you are currently using these products, it is not too late to quit. Make sure you are up to date on your hepatitis B vaccinations. By knowing risk factors, you're able to make better health choices or are able to make changes in your lifestyle to decrease your risk of certain illnesses and diseases such as liver cancer. Thank you.